Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 13th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Virgo, I have a quote for you from one of the most enlightened Sagittariuses I know, Alan Watts. We knew, okay? It says, the act of being. It says not a lot of people understand what the act of being is. It says stillness offers us a reset. It reminds us life is not a race. It is not a series of hurdles to clear, but something to be lived and savored moment by moment. When you listen to a song, do you hope to hear the end of the song quickly, or do you enjoy all the lyrics as the song goes on to play the final note? When you dance, do you dance until your body sweats and you can't move anymore and you're tired? Or do you enjoy each turn and twist and wind that you do? So again, stillness offers us a reset. It reminds us that life is not a race. It is not a series of hurdles to clear, but something to be lived, savored, moment by moment. This is your channel song. Oh yeah, come on. You get the limo round front. Ooh ah ooh, how to style every shoe, every color. Yeah, when you're famous, it can be kind of fun. It's really you, but no one ever discovers. In some ways, you're just like all your friends, but on stage, you're a star. You get the best of both worlds. Chilling out, take it slow, then you rock out the show. You get the best of both girls. Mix it all together, and you know that it's the best of both worlds. The best of both worlds. You go to movie premieres. Is that Adisha Palmer? Hear your song on the radio. Yeah, when your two lives is a little weird. Yeah, but shelter's cool cause nobody knows. You gotta be like a small town girl, but in YouTube you're a star. You get the best of both worlds. Chilling out, take it slow, then you rock out the show. You get the best of both girls. Mix it all together, and you know you get the best of both worlds. Take pictures and autographs. You get your face on magazines. The best part is that you gotta be who you wanna be. Yes, yes, the best of both. Yes, yes, the best of both. Best, best, the best of both. Who would have thought that a girl like me could double as a superstar? You get the best of both worlds. Taking out, take a show. You get the best of both girls. Mix it all together. You get the best of both worlds. Mister, in my hand, I have something to tell you. I'm Hannah Montana. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. I have 2 more readings to do and I need to hurry up, okay? So I'm getting Virgo, the best of both worlds. I don't know who you're doubling as, or I don't know which alter ego you're living as, but I'm getting you get the best of both worlds. You get the shades in the hair, you can go anywhere. You get the best of both girls. Mix it all together. So, Virgo, what do you know about the best of both worlds? Or I'm getting something as it relates to the one and the only Miley Cyrus, okay? Billy Ray Cyrus' daughter. Billy Ray Cyrus's daughter? Jesus Christ, let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're doing your career spread. Virgo, let's go. What is your focus? Get the best of both worlds. Your focus is the Libra card, the Justice card. So there's something about justice is going to be served. Or, sorry, I'm getting you get the best of both worlds. I'm getting you going to get both. You're going to get two. You get to get two. Do you have two last names? Okay, you'll get two inheritance, two insurance, two for you. Just for you, Libra. Just for you, Virgo. Right? So I'm getting your focus is the justice system, what you are owed. I'm getting your focus is a Libra. The 9 of Wands is your advice. Okay, so I'm getting you going up against the justice system. I'm getting you see that Libra is scared because you're gonna bring them to court, or I'm getting you going to court. There's something over identity, or the best of, or something about two. Maybe them think you're one twin, or them think you're sisters. I'm getting it to the same person. You just never saw them in the same room together at one time. And if you did see them together at one time, yeah, you're looking at two different people. I'm getting someone lives a double life. You get the, so maybe you live a double life. I'm getting some genius was like, oh, nobody don't recognize this person. Let us get this person to pretend to be her. Nobody will notice. Because, you know, like Spider-Man, you know, nobody can see Spider-Man changing into his Spider-Man costume. So we're just gonna make this person pretend to be Spider-Man. Even though Spider-Man is someone different, we're getting like that. Something like that. Come getting you get the best of both, or you forget two. You must get two of them. Or something about two, the best of both worlds. What's your mentorship? The Knight of Swords. I'm getting something is going to court fast. Or Libra, you have a court. I don't know what the fuck is, okay. What is your sign that you're on the right path? The Knight of Wands. You have Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands. Damn. Okay, what is your outcome? The Queen of Wands. I'm getting something about, Jesus Christ. There's something about they mix it up with a Sagittarius woman. If the woman, I bet they mix it up with a big blood clot, sweet pepper nose Haitian girl. Is that the big sweet pepper nose Haitian girl who mix me up with? The Sagittarius? I'm getting something about one Sagittarius I get taken to court. Now there's two men here who are trying to run to the court system before the Sagittarius go. Two men are run to the court office before she goes there. Now the Sagittarius, this could be Miley Cyrus, the Sagittarius. I'm getting something about a Libra, yeah, I did with a Libra. I'm getting something about two men are accusing you of doing something in the court system. One of one fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The other one is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. These two men are filing reports when it comes down to the legal system about you. Miley Cyrus is a Sagittarius, but I'm getting two men that say the same thing. Unless two of them skate. I'm getting two men are, I'm getting a fire sign and an air sign. Both of them went back to the justice system and tell them something about you. Let me see what them say about you. Because maybe something, I'm getting something about legal. Oh, they want money from you? You said none of the man them want marry there with them. Never get her pregnant and she not give them no money. I don't know what, maybe they owe you money. Come getting, yeah, see you're Sagittarius? You have the money. You get the best of both worlds. But me getting them two mania, I run up and down, because they need to sort out something at court. Unless something is going to be taken from these two men and given to you. You got the shades in the hair, and you go anywhere. You get the best of both girls, not guys. You might think that it was two different men. I'm getting it's one woman. Apparently, niggas don't know the difference when I has wigs on. You can chase in the hair and you can go anywhere. The Hierophant, you get the best of both. But no one, wait, I'm sorry, you know why I missed, right? Oh yeah, you get the limo out front. Ooh, ah, ooh, how to style every shoe, every color. Yeah, when you're famous, it can be kind of fun. It's really you, but no one ever discovers. In some ways, you're just like all your friends, but on stage, you're a star. You get the best of both worlds. Take it now, take it slow, then you rock out the show. You get the best of both girls. Mix it all together, and you know that it's the best of both worlds. The best of both worlds. You go the movie premiere. Is that Vanessa Carby from Shark? Hear your song on the radio. Yeah, when your new life is a little weird, but the shelter's cool cause 311 don't know. In Dundee, you're a small town girl, but in stage you're a big star. You get the best of both worlds. Take it now, take it slow, then you rock out the show. You get the best of both girls. Mix it all together. One more. The best of both worlds. So tell that motherfucking witch doctor to, she didn't even do a new portion. Because I'm telling you what the fuck it is. You get the, I have something to tell you, IIRC. I'm Hannah Montana. I'm gonna leave it here until, I'm Vanessa Carby. No, wait yet, IIRC. I have something to tell you, IIRC. I'm Vanessa Carby. I'm gonna leave it here until next time, Virgo. Bye!